Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Any understanding without philosophy, that is sentiment. And philosophy without religious conception is mental speculation. These two things are going on, not combined, all over the world. There are many so-called religious systems, but there is no philosophy. Therefore, the so-called religious system does not appeal to the modern educated person. They are giving up religion, either Christian, Muslim, Hindu, simply formalities, rituals. They do not like. They want to know everything on the basis of philosophy. That is Bhagavad-gita. Bhagavad-gita is based on philosophy, this system, Kṛṣṇa Bhakti. Bhagavad-gita means Kṛṣṇa Bhakti. Devotion to Kṛṣṇa, Kṛṣṇa consciousness. That is Bhagavad-gita. Bhagavad-gita, the teaching is Manvana Bhavamad Bhakta Madhya Jimag Namastu. This is Bhagavad-gita. Always think only, Kṛṣṇa consciousness, pure and simple. Manvana Bhavamad Bhakta Madhya Jimag Namaskuru. Everywhere Kṛṣṇa has stressed on his personality. Aham Adihi Devanam. I am the origin of all the devatas. Matta Paratanam Nanya Kinchijasti Dhananjaya. Aham Sarvasya Prabhava. Matta Sarvam Pravartate. Iti Matya Bhajanti Mana. Buddha Bhava Samanniti. Everything is there. So, Sarvadharman Parityajya, Mam Ekam, Mam, Aham, Me. So, in every verse, every chapter, Kṛṣṇa, Maya Sattvamana Pratha, Jogam Janjana Madasya. Mayasa, Mai, Asakta. One who is attached to me. Asaktamana, mind attached to me. That is Yoga. Yoginamapi sarvesham madgata antaratmana. Madgata. Again what? Madgata antaratmana sadhyavan bhajate jumam samejutta tamoma. So everything is given stress. Kṛṣṇa. But the rascal commentators, they want to make minus Kṛṣṇa. These rascal has played havoc in India. These rascal so-called commentators, they want to avoid Kṛṣṇa. Therefore, this Kṛṣṇa consciousness movement is a challenge to these rascals. It is a challenge. That you want to make Kṛṣṇa without Kṛṣṇa. This is nonsense. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.